Before we proceed with the program, I would like to introduce to my co-host, Mimi Pinao. She is a makeup artist by profession. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome my co-host, Mimi Pinao, on the stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Town Hall for the first Tangkhul Music Festival. Come on, make some noise, guys. Yes, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. That is my co-host for tonight. And to proceed with the program, I would like to call upon our General Secretary of the TMF, John Tushan. Check. Yeah. I would like to call upon the General Secretary of TMF, John Tushan, to do the introduction and presentation.
Check. Good evening, Ilong now. Hello, good evening, Ilong now. Let's make it happening, eh? Razang hai sai korli. Welcome Sakwen Soda. I would like to give my warm welcome to our chief guest, Shri Joy Kisan Singh, and our beloved, so to say, our beloved Pilating. Madam Pilating, thank you so much. Natum Saikor Hirazam Hai Ning Shinarko. Ari intumli welcome sa wing sada. Hili iwi ningshi kamiyan ng soda kala welcome sa wing soda. Hiya ring ngazin krum adam hili indum na razong hai ning shilagare. Ishi kyashi kwaya our honorable chief guest and our all the ladies and gentlemen here. I would like to welcome to this very good evening. This is the first music festival that is being hosted here at Ukhrul, and I'm very thankful that when we approach our sir, he does not hesitate anything but warmly accepted our appreciation. So thank you so much. Kala hilirazang mihai ndum sai kor ning shi nair ko gi hangai jiling soda isu hili ra khai kharnau bing sai kor isu wi kyashi waya our guru hirazang mihai isu host kala itum wi kharnau bing razang mihai bing kala itum wi advisor bing TMF wi member sai kor bing le ning shi nai gi la hangai le kala ndum di welcome sa with le Aring zini ring pa ngzin ngsa se kala itum hi ka thi da dam bom se aji music festival ne ring pa se kala aring zin hi let's make it happening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, the General Secretary of TMF, for the warm welcome address. Now I would like to take the time for presentation. So I would like to call upon the President of TMF, Ngaran Micheli, to please hand out the presentation. First, I would like to call our honorable chief guest for today, Shri K.H. Joy Kishan Singh, Honorable MLA, 9 Assembly Constituency, Tangmeipan, to please receive our token of love and appreciation for your presence here tonight. Pangmar may da kapemi se yari bingna. Thank you, sir. It is an honor to have you here tonight with us. And next, I would like to call upon the Featherheads, our special artist for tonight. The Featherheads. They will be our special artist for tonight. And next up, I would like to call upon our co-host, Shinmila Pinao. Yari ping na pangmar may kapimi say. Thank you so much to President of TMF for the presentation. Now, we have a special performance tonight. The band started in 2012 by Akasin Shimre from the tradition, inspirations, and musical influences that deeply rooted in Naga's rich tribal heritage. Featherheads is an alternative folk rock outfit based out of Ukhrul, Manipur. The band honors the unique tribal tradition of Tangkhul Nagas and aims to preserve its identity and folklore through its music and creative arts. Traditional folk tunes fused with alternative guitar, riffs, and melodic chants. Each song is a unique story inspired by nature, humanity, and the processes of life. This band have performed in various platforms. They have also performed in the Shirok Ukhrul, Manipur in 2017, and also in 2018 they have performed in Nagate, Kohima, Nagaland. They have performed in Northeast India Festival, Bangkok, that is in Thailand. And in 2020 they have performed in Savam Folk Festival, Jharkhand. And in 2021 they have performed in Saturday Inferno XL Cafe Billards. And in 2022 they have performed in various platforms, which includes the Jharkhand Music Festival, Ranchi, Uttar Pradesh, Just Hangout 2.0 in Payeng, Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, help me in welcoming the Featherheads.
That's my mistake.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a queue of artists for performing tonight. The artists are Nating Tangwa, PC Makang, Shonchon SB, Ringpami Shokung Nao, Yershi Mungsek, Somadai Zinkai, Somichon Gashung, Ayakler Kare, Horyaula Kashung, Oklui Kasom, Yo-Yo Mungshang, Winso Chamroy, Tonre Mungshing Lai. These artists will be performing for us tonight, and the band which will be performing for us tonight are Yours and the Band, Doctor and the Band, Rockshot Band, Not Funny Band, and MSC and the Band. I request all of you to please stay with us for tonight as we have the list of artists with us. Our event partner for today, Luti Enterprise, Raikon Pharmacy, AT Enterprise, Mingting Bakers, Aran Florist, and the media partners for today is the Tangkhul Express, powered by House Services. And sound partners are Ukhrul Sound and Light Rental Association. And our sound engineer for today is Okcher Kaping. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the event partners, the media partners, and sound partners, and the sound engineer a big round of applause.
Sound on the hornbill. This is the sound of togetherness. This is the sound of unity. This is the chant of the hornbill. As a humankind, we are all one, nothing else. So I tell you, let's keep a chant together. We'll say, oh hey, 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 oh hey. One more time. Oh. Oh, hey. เนี่ยวิพนิดขมิ้นฮิลีโอ้สาขวาว่าวิรานันรัสังมิดอยทุมลีจิงเรียนอาจูขณะว่าจะมีโชว์ซาดากุกบสังมิราโกลโอ้กชิโชโกลกพาซังโลโอ้เฮ้ย alright this next track is called How Now we have released this music video not long ago so How Now means the ancestors era of life that is what I mean to say we as a man we should be honored and have the same perspective of dignity that our ancestors had once upon a time. This one is called How Now Miguel, take it! Chilo, sang một sao? My people, sing along with me, okay? We need you here. Oh, how now? How now? Sian chỉ có những mây đâu chỉ rơi đào gần đời ông ra li ốt ngỡ rứt cực đời ngỡ rì và khả năng mừng à thấy em thấy sơ sai có rơi oh hey Hãy subscribe
Oh, how now? How now? Oh, how now? Shady.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Fatihaz. It was a spectacular performance, and we have more performers coming your way. And it was their original song. So thank you so much, Fatihaz, once again.
Now we shall have a time for a short speech. So I would like to call upon our Honorable Chief Guest for today, Shri Choi Kishan Singh, Honorable MLA, 9 Assembly Constituency, Tangmipan, to take his time.
A very good evening to my dear friends. I know, all of you are coming here to listen to Tangkhul music, a very famous one, not to listen to my speech. Actually, people who come to see music or these things do not want political speeches or speeches from guest or one or sick guest. I know that. Being a representative of the people, I know the feeling of the people also. So I won't take much time. Let us enjoy this great Tangkhul music festival, which will be historical because this is the first one. But being chief guest, I want to present a few words. Actually, I am very much thrilled when our party Karikata, Mrs. Ating, came to my place and invited me for a chief guest. As already said, at the inaugural speech, I humbly accepted the invitation. All of us know that music is a very powerful weapon. Actually, music is a magic. It can bring together all the people, irrespective of their caste, irrespective of their ages. It can bring all. Tangkhul music is also one of the indigenous music. We have to groom it. I'm encouraging this Tangkhul music forum, and I will always help the forum to upgrade it. Actually, I don't know what is the plan of the Tangkhul Music Forum, but I know and I believe that one day their dreams will be surely fulfilled. So, as a token of help to the Tangkhul Music Forum, I'm just donating a sum of rupees 1 lakh to the forum. Please, I request the president to come here. I will hand over it to him.
Thank you so much.
If God bless us, there will be times I can help more, and surely I think God will bless all of us, and once again I am repeating that Tangkhul Music Forum's dream will be fulfilled. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your support and encouragement for the Tangkhul music and also for your generosity. Next up, we have a very special performance from a person who needs no introduction. He's a Naga folk artist and musicologist. He's a director of the Naga Folk Music Academy. He has so far released 3 music albums. Guru Ribbon has been honored with various awards, including title of Guru under Guru Shishya Parambara scheme 2004 and 2005 under the Ministry of Culture. Northeast Excellence Award in 2009. National Tribal Award for his contribution to the development of tribal music from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Best Music Director in 2019 for the non-feature film My Generous Village at the 12th Manipur State Film Awards. Also, he has been honored with the Padma Shri Award 2021 by the Government of India for his contribution in art, which is the 4th highest civilian award. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our one and only Guru Ruben Mashangvu with a big round of applause.
Hello. Yamna thamoida nuaijaba pokchei ngsi akhoi ngarang dei hograb ni akhoi gi Tangkhul Music Festival the first edition ado ngsi na aloiba numit ni ikai kumna matik charaba yamba damojoy yam nungai nang na thawai yauna warju wana nangi friend murup miyam puraga akhoi gi Tangkhul Music Forum ki first edition music festival da mapung phan ba haibise ishona nangi ministry nangi future da bo birga mongko oiba oishnu so long live haibise ai haijaningi Legia Ramnobing Joy Gishanu Agdohi MCS ni Ahi Likwana Billing John Kamini Ka Ali our Mirin Sing Sakau he Ajama Pam our Tangkhul Lishlak Ashishim Puri Gamjong Esio Sasai he shall bring Pam Ka Aji Ali Lishlak Kaina Agdona Itumi Ramli our Manglash Manas Halla Anna, Nintong Lakan Kragji, Younglo, Ishi, Machugre, Masapa Bimne, Rana, Tingnaka, Method Kai, Puncture Mamimene, Go itum the Sabapa, Mum Tam. God, thank you so much. Yamba, Awakening Chief Guest, thank you so much. Now, my songs, I want to dedicate these songs to the Manipur state. Akhoi lera mamyam shi mang khreba wari mada loktak ipachi kang khradi sangai shi krai da legi daba shiroi jingdon shi wang na lekhdu to khai khradi shiroi lili do krai shat ke dab na ba haibegi wari ni ai shi just question to our people, so do good things, be yourself. Thank you so much. Here goes. Iram tam sigi pazaba Mangre leiramba Iram tam sigi pazaba Lok tak ipat na kang kabadu Sangai mana leki katra Tak kele na jom na ken kabadu Nujaki na pati kri weni Kang chile ko na wari wan kraga Kukil mana kongki katra Fel ipat na kang kabada Kumbire na shaki katra Makhe leiramba Iram tam sigi pazaba Leiramba Iram tam sigi pazaba We have lost what we had the pristine beauty of our land. We have lost what we had, the pristine beauty of our land. Kang chile ko na wari wan kraga Kukil mana kongki gadra Pada kele na jom na ken krabada Nujaki na pati kri wini We have mankre shiman haire Lekasa Iram now ping we kamata Shiman haire Lekasa Iram now being we kamata We have lost what we had The pristine beauty of our land Iram tam sigi pazaba Salute, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That was our one and only Guru Rupin Mashangwa. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him another round of applause for his performance. Pangmar made a pay music da. Nishla kairim talaga ne perform sami kai chuvang. Now, I request our Jifkist to please head out for the flag hoist. Now we shall have the time for the flag hoist, so I request our Jifkist to please kindly do the flag hoist. Yari Pingna Hongasan Kalaning Krak Masailo Kyuvang Lay Jika Ichili Achi entertain Sami Gikachi artist Kchunkalay Delaye Nating Bam Tangva PC Magang Shonchon SP Ring Pami Shokung Now Yershi Mungsek Somutai Zinkai Semichon Kashung Ayacher Kare Horyaula Kashung Oglui Kasom Yoyo Mungshang Winso Chamroy Ton Re Mungshinglai Kalan Ben Kachunkalay Dele Chena Yari Bingna Mtalak Rimpalak and Ganang Sekji Hankangaine. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honor. And as support, love, and appreciation for the TMF, our chief guest for today, Shri KH Joy Kishan Singh, Honorable MLA, 9 Assembly Constituency, Tangmaipan, have handed a cash of 1 lakh rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a big round of applause for his generous donation. Thank you, sir, for your love and support. And also our chief guest, our special guest, Ukhrul Kushim Vashum, Honorable Minister, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport, Government of Manipur, have handed a cash of 50,000. Yarisekur Nakshida Awivang Pang Kapimiluse, Nikshlakari Ocha na Namarang Rumar Salala, Nawi, Mahutsada Hida the Cho Krakala Nawi, Kagatom Hida the Sampang Kang Sagivang, TMF Wishong and Ningshik Chunkamidale. Now we shall have a time for a vote of thanks. So I request the VP of TMF, PC Makang, to take the time for vote of thanks.
Vote of thanks akoigi advisor ahan amada haplambani adu mahaki khudong jadaba tabak khara lekhibana mafam sida yorak pang ngamdabigi ehakna mahaki mohut sinjabani ngasigi function sigi ikai khumnaraba chief case ningoina panjarabada Shri Joy Kishan Singh, Honorable MLA 9AC Thangmaiban, Amasung Guest of Honor Shri Robert Singh, Khetri Mayum, IAS Director Mahut. Koi special guest Soy Ramale, Guest of Honor Soyre, Adubo, Guest of Honor Ge, Kainosi. Asiana like hipping mark lakpangam drain a pau pangia do a question like it, adubo Koi TMF Nusu Sergi Imungi Awaba the Saruk Yazari Habsi Mayam among the Pungdoksage, Matam Java Matamda, Akoi Saruk Akoi Amugapun Pangan Hepsi Tazai Aduga. Ngasi akhoi special guest amasung lengbire iba mipum khuding makta TMF ki tarap tagi akhoi nungai ba phongdok jari ado ihan han bada akhoi gi ngasi gi ikai khumnara ba chief guest ta akhoi gi tasengna akhoi TMF ki nungai ba si hanjan na phongdok jari haibadi Sargi Tabak Sarkar ki Tabak Amasung Office ki Kendra ki Tabak Koktong Maliram Maniado Mayam Tadok Piraga Sarna Ngasi Akoi Chingmi Tami Anigi Nungsina Basi Akoi Wahay Kakta Chin Kaktada Ngang Basi Masidi Langani Tabak Oina Pongdok Jage Haina Mapam Sida Lengbira Ibni Haibisa Koi Tazai Aduga sarna maman tang laba wahi kayam muksu thambire aduga loinana case oina su thambi khiba sigi damakta sarbo ngamkhai leitune thagatjari aduna sarda haijaning badi ngasi akoina kaujari basi masina aroibu nate akoi matam khibikta akoi gi awat pun leibada sargi nakta lakhigini haibisisu ningsingjari aduna ai yamna so ngangaroige sargi punsida ana ek leitana matol lomba amasung mahiyanba punsi oisenu aduga matam khibikta prajagi seba phangjaba mayamna popular oiba leader ama oisenu haibasi bor pijari aduga sister athing busu philathing busu nungaibu phongdok jari mahaki thabak achinba kya leresu akoi gi program soidana ba haina mahakna sarbo loina raga mafam stana mahakna loina rakpi mahakpusu nungaibu phongdok jari aduga issue host khani lila ningsi phongsok ta lei Miss Wolai Chan A Simre aina kuilum la sinmila phinau nani nala nani we akhon khamatha kala tuihan khamatha aina ithumle sarukhimi da khlei chuiwang TMF na ningsie chila lakhi khama mirar mrai kha nani lila varena lumusan mida mayor khamatha acham khamatha samhangar no guji hangming ai dule sena issue sound pasi kala light kala ithumui media pasi lila ring pha phongsok tale nathumna sami wami gaiji itumna kaum sa tale guji nathumle phongsok ngai nei kala ngaya hili rajang da khlaya artist ping kala program hili rangrumi da khlai nathum sai korule ring phana hai kho guji hi hang laga hili ngang ho ga ning share
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and once again, welcome to Town Hall for the first Tangkhul Music Festival. Hello, how are you doing, everybody? Right, okay. So, well, this is Mimi Pinau, and your host for tonight. And before I introduce my co-host, I would like to thank all of you who have made it here this evening. So now, let's welcome on stage my co-host, Miss Worleychan A. Shimra. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Worleychan Shimra. And currently, she's doing her PhD Sports and Science. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are having fun tonight.
Are you guys having fun? Thank you so much, my co-host, for the introduction. Are you guys having fun? Are you guys having fun? Let me hear you. That's better.
Woo! You guys are absolutely rocking. Thank you so much for the crowds. And so now,
we have for our first performance for the evening, Olive Kasom, who is a senior artist who have performed in many events and occasions. Ladies and gentlemen, help us in welcoming Olive Kasom.
come on, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Olive Kasom.
Hello, check. Firstly, na, is Tangkhul lao bing wa maning la. Tangkhul la la sai re, English sai re, ka. Azi rat le kya shik pai atum ne. Aka, diri ki chau gwe. Yam na nuai re ba event da lakpi ri ba koi chief guest. Mai damak ta ina yam li re ba isei ma khakta khudol cham dage. Hello, what is it? लाखों या दिल वाले और प्यार नहीं मिलता आँखों में किसी की वफा था इकरार नहीं मिलता लाखों या दिल वाले और प्यार नहीं मिलता आँखों में किसी की वफा था इकरार नहीं मिलता महफिल जा देखा हर साज में कर देखा हर साज पिघा कर देखा महफिल जा देखा हर साज कर देखा हर साज पिघा कर देखा दिल को कहीं चैन ना मिला और दिल को कहीं चैन ना मिला मैं तो दुनिया में प्यारे अकेला ही रहा लाखों है या दिल वाले और प्यार नहीं मिलता आँखों में किसी की वफा था इकरार नहीं मिलता इस दिल को कहाँ ले जाए कुछ आप अगर फरमाए तो आपके हम हो जाए इस दिल को कहाँ ले जाए कुछ आप अगर फरमाए तो आपके हम हो जाए कह दो हमें हंस के जरा और कह दो हमें हंस के जरा आज जो कुछ भी दिल ने तुम्हारे ही कहा लाखों या दिल वाले और प्यार नहीं मिलता आँखों में किसी की वफा था इकरार नहीं मिलता Thank you.
Thank you so much, Olive Kasama, for your wonderful performance.
Next up, we have a wonderful person who have released 2 original of her own. She have performed in many occasions and events. She have also performed in Shirok Festival 2019 and also in 2022. She have performed and traveled in different cities of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our beautiful lady, Yershim Ungze on the stage.
And ladies and gentlemen, if you know the lyrics, please sing along with her, everybody. You guys know that tonight is a music festival, so of course everybody here is come to enjoy, right? Yeah, so let's have a fun tonight.
A big round of applause for her.
Check. Cái chân khách và guitar này ngay này sao chứ này? Cái UG dia cũng sang bài này rồi chứ na English ba sao cái phone sing share lấy cái và hotel California chứ lyrics sing share lo sang lắm sai.
karaoke3online.blogspot.com.
On the dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of eucalyptus rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head could have and my side could dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard a mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, show me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say,
Sing along, ladies and gentlemen.
welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Lady, you're from back to Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her mind is Tiffany twisted. She got a Mercedes Benz. She master the timber together for the fish. We stab it with a sealing knife, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find a dangerous back to the place I was before. Relax, said a nightmare. We are going to receive. You can check out any time you like, yeah, but you can never leave. Next verse, I get this there.
Thank you so much. That was Yarshi Mungseg. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for her.
Now we are presenting Ngatimpam Thangva. He is a pop singer and a songwriter. So let's welcome on stage Mr. Ngatimpam Thangva.
Hello. Good evening, Ukhrul. Akhoi chief guest ne, guest of honor ne, invitees ne, akhoi Tangkhul music forum dagi forum da yam nang khoi na sport oibiushi yam thagazari akhoi na. Hojik madam sida ai su isi amani prepare dorge. Hojik ahan mada isi amma sakpirge isi gi title sina matam gi value of time. So music. Ring bhadle yari. Thang thang zimik show atam aman gasa hanung li fu sama sabai ukti lana le man lo kwi bai atam go ho verena bang shop ka hang ni hai na li run Sham the lake may Torn the shun the sea
Thank you so much for your performance. Now we have Winsor Chamroy.
She's a songwriter and an artist, a very talented singer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Winsor Chamroy on the stage. Bang May the Bang Pila actually welcome sao we say Winsor Chamroy.
Check, hello, check. In a 사기지 first lava here, we first cover lane, July. 사태가 사옴 세세. I've been holding my breath, I've been counting to 10 over something you said. I've been holding back tears while you're throwing back beers. I'm alone in bed. You know I'm afraid of change. Guess that's why we stay the same. So tell me to leave. I pack my bags, get on the road. Find someone that loves you better than I do, darling, I know. 'Cause you remind me every day I'm not enough, but I still stay. Feels like a lifetime just trying to get by while we're dying inside. I've done all the things wrong, loving you being warm, but I can't move on. You know I'm afraid of change. Guess that's why we stay the same. So tell me to leave. I pack my bags, get on the road. Find someone that loves you better than I do, darling, I know. 'Cause you remind me every day I'm not enough, but I still stay. If you want me Not even they can stop me now. Boy, I'll be flying overhead. The heavy words can bring me down. Boy, I'll be raised from the dead. No one even knows how hard life was. I don't even think about it now because I finally found you. Oh, sing it to me now. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a freaking dream I'm living it. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar venom, oh yeah. Baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. American dreams came true somehow. I swore I'd chase until I was dead. I heard the streets were paved with gold. That's what my father said. No one even knows what life was like. Now I'm in LA and it's paradise. I finally found you. Oh, sing it to me now. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a freaking dream I'm living it. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar venom, oh yeah. Baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Sweet like cinnamon, like a freaking dream I'm living it. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar venom, oh yeah. Finally found you. Oh, sing it to me now. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a freaking dream I'm living it. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar venom, oh yeah. Baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Mischlare.
Thank you so much, Windsor Chamroy, upcoming artist. Now we have Tan Raverang now. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Tan Raverang now.
Tan Mahong now is famous for his cover of Despacito. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Tan Mahong now once again on the stage.
Hello. Arena sakit lahir kah na syair kah na musyarak sara. Lawi amina Maila itu menang rumsa. Hello.
Thank you so much, Tanri Verengnau, for your wonderful performance. Next up, we have a beautiful lady with us tonight. Guess who? Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Shonchon SB. Let's welcome Shonchon on the stage.
Hello, Jake. Hello, Jake. Tangkhul lag samay ho gayi. Saday ke sath फिर से बोलूं वीडियो का मिला.
for your rocking performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, ara kiba wing na ngai. Sakre nyasho kiba hilizang. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our Sakre nyasho PC Makang.
Music festival li la ka masa ka ring pham ri sai da ka khai ne yarui kisik si gai re sangrum zio Miss Son SP li wa ka mi ai ning sang.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for both of them. Son SB and BC Makang.
Le shat won yam kuili. Yarui ngarum miselo.
Yarui bing na sangrum miselo sakatai bing na.
Hello check, hello check.
Thank you so much, PC Makang and Chonchon, for the wonderful performance.
Now next we have Yo-Yo Mungshang. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Yo-Yo Mungshang on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Miss Yo-Yo on the stage with a big round of applause.
inari sagik jila hi sathai ser lere sangam se o khumi now drink. Lung jan khare chili bo won rum khare we ding theng ga hai i og lung hi kan rei ga chang tha da theng ga hai mi ri bang a dam lui ma rao ban na ga ching ching hao i we og lung hi na na li na i we nga sa nga ya da yek sang hai da lei kho ga chu ga og lung li ma thing ri khai dim da we si pan da ting na khang nga nu tha da I ug lung nga dam nga sak mi lui shi ko na wi khani chan han bing na I ma khan la nai na wi o sak bing chi a kun la tha da nga yu sa ching na ba ka tha da I khalan cha bro khu mi now She jan bao chi phun jing da I mi rin phai gar hi ba sha khơ mai chi than cho khơ mi ya khơ mi now ga ting ching hao I wi uk lung hi na na li na I wi nga sa nga ya da yek sang hai da lei kho ga tu ga uk lung li ma ting ri kha nim na wi sang ma si
Are you ready to take the night forward? Guys? Can I hear some voice? Are you ready to be entertained tonight? Are you ready for some band songs? Are you ready? All right, we'll give you what you want. We have a band, a pop, rock, indies, jazz band from Ukhrul, Manipur. And they have been awarded the Best Original and Best Lyrics at the state level Manipur Idol 2019. They've also been awarded the winner in a competition for Ringway's Got Talent at the state level 2020. And they have been also nominated at the state level for Best Pop Artist, Best Music Video, Song of the Year 2021 by Musician Girl, awarded for the second runner-up in a competition for HGT 2019. They are also the second runner-up of Manipur Idol 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Not Funny Band. We have Ungram Ting Shimre on the vocal, SP Wodka on drums, Katrimi Luiti on bass, Soting Rohing on guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's welcome the Not Funny Band.
Today's event partners are Lutui Enterprises, Raikan Pharmacy, AT Enterprise, Mungkung Bakers, Aran Flores, Media Partners, the Tangkhul Express, powered by House Services, Sound Partners, Ukhrul Sound and Light Rental Association.
Check. Hello, check.
Ben Bing in the ready Sada Leilaka, artist Bing Tonre Mong Shinglai, Horyao Lagashun, Somatai Zinkai, Aya Claire Kare, Somatai Ringpami Shokunau, artist Bing in a Kazingrada ready Samikvai, Saglaka Nagabona, Nishlakaira.
Thank you so much. We love you so much, guys. You are a beautiful audience. Thank you so much. Good night.
Let's give it up for the Not Funny Band. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for the band.
Pangkapang may nagpiyat mi si Yarina. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, how are you enjoying? I mean, are you guys enjoying the night? All right, that's amazing. So, this is the second day. I'm sure you all are aware. All right, those who were there yesterday, please raise your hands. Ladies and gentlemen,
Make some noise. Those of you who were here yesterday, make some noise.
Come on, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen.
How are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling so far? Good? Bad? No. I would like to hear some more voice. How are you feeling, guys? All right.
Now let's welcome the newcomers. Please raise your hands, newcomers. Right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are amazing and the crowd is looking awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay. We have lots of artists lined up for you guys. Are you ready to take the night forward? The night is still young, yeah? All right, yes, the night is still young. Okay, we have one of our famous Tangkhul artists and a songwriter who is none other than Ton Raymond Shinglai. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ton Raymond Shinglai.
Hello. Chayang mi dele ko. In palake hinda da. DMF Korea Festival hili ituni lo homi da. In palake lumlao se mangali ka thang ka fuera tang pang. Ara ring phak hai chi. Ara ina chot sak le ara. Sangrum say legacy tam kui Sangrum bay mani Sangrum ra Hello che What is that Sangrum say Padale, lumlau dale. Ring padale ke jiwi pangkang ila. Tangkhul ketong di bom sadale.
shi có chỗ gì gơ chẳng thờ ran tâm mi lấy sát cơ cái cơ bằng lơ ung gơ sung lơ khani ni bam li vơ na wi bang ran ngơ sa lấy cái shi chôn mi rin bay da phung lu na va sha ot phun rin mây da lấy shi tâm bất huy na wi khờ yon na. Thank you. Kelas agak salah orang. Mesim re. तब ममले में आर्टिस्ट का लाइन अप साथ लेकर आखिर सा मिला होगे नंबर 3 बजे ट्रैक नंबर 3 जी अतः मुख्य में मिनी शीली पुष्ंगा लाखनी है रिंफा से जिधर नहीं ये लूट बनाओ ले ये thủy nơ cha nơ mang nơ i u lung wi khờ ba thấy khami in nơ li lấy cái gì nơ li cơ bằng cơ quý thô thô người vang cơ bằng quý cơ hay nơ i bằng maya thế tơ chỉ biết số mà sinh sản đỡ nỡ liวันรุ่งขบายข้างอะไรอุ้งสูงหายรักที่นั่นเนอพุทธเสรหายเลอมึงใจมาระอีวิเลยก็ชีเลวิบามึงใจมาระอีวิเลยก็ชีเลวิบาอีวิเลยก็ชี里凝视个几寒冬里温可如个雅可人个怕มันริมวนรุมเซอมีรินไปเจ้าเดอเงอใจเข้าไปมาเลยมาตุยกชีอีบังไม่ยาเทตาจะมีโชมมาชิงชานเดอเนลีวันรุ่งขบายข้างราสูงหายรักที่นั่นเนอพุทธเสรหายเลอมึงใจมาระอีวิเลยก็ชีเลวิบามึงใจมาระอีวิเลยก็ชีเลวิบาก็ทำหลีกเลยlần a tâm dâng đơn xem cả cơ chốt cơ trang xịp cơ xa lơ kia khờ khang ra lơ sam cơ phăng lấy cái gì cũng cơ sung lấy cái gì thô thô cái chi tan sớm vài lần nô y bang maya thế chỉ biết số mà sinh sản đỡ đỡ liวันรุ่งขบายข้างไรอุ้งสูงหายรักทิ้งนาเนอพุทธเสรหายเลอมึงใจมาระอีวิเลยก็ชีเลวิบามึงใจมาระอีวิเลยก็ชีเลวิบา ning share ko atam le ka salu se thank you
By any chance, are you single, Don Raymond? That was Don Raymond Xinglai. Let's give it up for him once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Now next we have Mac and the band. The band have been performed in various events, and they have also performed at one of the biggest festival of India International Festival Shirak 2018 and 2022. The lineup of the band are Mac Kassar, lead vocalist, Arancheli, bass guitar, Ungmi Rulang, lead guitar, Atungpa, drums. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mac and the band. Woo!
Check. Oh! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Can you say it louder? Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! I love that spirit. Once again. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Can we laugh? Oh, I love you guys. It's gonna be interesting, boy. Yeah! 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 A very common one. We are Mac and the band! Yeah! I hope we all enjoy the music festival, yeah! The first time ever, yeah! Lấy lo cái Singum Hiranka, the dry look, it's a Tangkhul Music Festival, miêu tộc này, lấy lo cái channel, Ishiban là gì, ngầm đất lại đấy, mình lo cái. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Hands in the air! She got eyes on the blue skies. She may turn her brain until I came to those eyes. She knows the pain. Her hair reminds me of the one she please. Her eyes are sharp but and pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by.
Fear noi Shanna McQueen Till love That team bawon Water That's a Peter In the Tangkhul That come a thing A chance We look along the sour The Lord sword the high The poor run the channel when you're there. What is it, man? The shiver call you Van out big and if she breathe a sash would there Did me singing love irregular Love sword high The poor run the channel when you're there What is it, man? The shiver call you Van out big and if she breathe a sash would live Did me singing irregular That was something beauty about our land. Yay! Hello, Ilong now. 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 I love you, people.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you ready? Do you want to go crazy? Are you ready? Yes, it is. Come on! Go crazy. That's how it goes. A million of people living as photos. Ah, baby, it's not too late. The Lord of the love, you broke out the hate. No matter what's not healing, driving me insane. Sing it! Going off the rails on the craziest train. Come on! Going off the rails on the craziest train. I'm listening to preachers, I'm listening to fools. I watch all the proud house who live in control. The many of selfies and really roads. Don't want to teach you and living with roads. No matter what, still screaming, driving me insane. in and jump with me. Come on! These are the preachers of listening fools. The ones are the drowned out, bending the truths. Oh, baby, I just can't bear. I'm the one who's shouting that the disease unfair. Another one's still screaming, one wants to play. Going on tonight, with its friend. Come on, sing it together. Going off tonight, with its friend. Thank you! We are Mac and the band, yay! Long live rock and roll! Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mac and the band, for your wonderful, wonderful performance. Now we have Sammy John Kashung on stage. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Sammy John Kashung.
We are immensely pleased by your presence. Thank you so much for your presence today, everyone. We would be presenting you with a lot of artists and their performances. We still have lots of artists to perform, so please bear with us. The event partners for today: Lutu Enterprise, Raikon Pharmacy, AT Enterprise, Mungung Bakers, Aran Flores, and a media partner for today is the Tangkhul Express, powered by House Services, and the sound partner is the Ukhrul Sound and Light Rental Association. And
chỉ mịt nở thung rồi ngất chưa kyang ý mang của phung hi li ngất cao li lấy cơ shi li mà xa li đô yêu quý khăn ngơ cao khô cái phung bông rây khăn đê xa vả rê nơ very high có phung tâm bà công rây vi ngu ngu cơ ha inơ sa nó sáng đơ chẳng ra hồ hồ trong ri mà chưa kyang ý mang của phung hi li ngất cao li lấy gà shi li xa li đô yêu quý khăn ngơ cao khô có phung gồng rây khăn đơ xa vả rê nơ chẳng hề hát mi lâu ngày Yahweh sẽ ra các trăng năm nở đi kharo tên hay là đi biết khả năng hai rờ nở li ngất cao cơ bờ li cơ shi rong sáng mà xa li đô cơ vào không hi iwe mà xa li đô iwe cơ vào không hi
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Semichon Gashung. Horyaula Gashung, sorry. Let's give it up for Horyaula Gashung once again. Next up, we have Somatai Zinkai.
Yaru maring phali clay. Ring phalak talina. Okay. Aru ina sagi zila hi. Ngalan nau thupop nau ping. Ladui nau ping li. Ka kahau ning sang wilane. Kai khanda na hai re. Kai khanda ma sarang salapa ye. Ka thar sa na phi dik le ping la. La hi maring phali clay yaru na ngum se. Okay.
沙克那里thấy的水呀，以为宁希。Kina kalaja, na thorui singran ka tha na mai won, na singwi pilav na kisa waya. Na thorui singran ka tha na mai won, na singwi pilav na kisa waya. Khi miêu na xem na li na wi khama tha san sam kha vai ma lay na hi wi sa khanga khi miêu na xem na li na wi khama tha san sam kha vai ma lay la ni vu na hi wi sa khanga沙克那里thấy的水呀，以为宁希。Kina kalaja, na thorui singran ka tha na mai won, ka singwi pilav na kisa waya. Na thorui singran ka tha na mai won. Singwi pilav na kisa vaira. Na hau sera na li, ya ron ting ting na la, aso alep ka love ka hov chi na la ka hau se na li ya ron ting ting na la aso alep ka o pi love ka hov chi na la Thank you
Schlagay Ray. Next, Sammy John Kashung. Next, Sammy John Kashung. Atanga Malay Sajine Jina. Please put your hands together for Sammy John Kashung.
khare hi tha phalong la lai sha I phyo mi lo hang mi lu jo ma thong lag la sang na hai ra na li ning li ga phani chi ga ta hai hi le I khayon lai la khi na khala chang na li thai da lai shi na ya lai sha
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Somichon Kashung. Let's give it up for her once again. Now we have a band, doctors in the band. It is a rock band formed in Ukhrul in 2022. The band composed of Somoyo Angkang, a lead vocal and guitar, Masot Ahum in the drums, Ayung Mashangvu in the guitar and backing vocals, Reward Chimre with the bass, and Eastward Atari keyboard backing vocals. The band is highly influenced from the band Audioslave, Dirty Honey, Bon Jovi, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the doctor and the band. Next we have Aya Claire Correa.
always.
Romeo was bleeding, you can't see his blood. It's nothing but some feelings that his old dog kicked up. It's been raining since you left me, now I'm drowning in the flood. She always been a fighter, without you I'll give up. I can sing a love song like the way it's meant to be. Well, I guess I'm not that good anymore, but baby, that's just me, and I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and a day. Always, I'll be there till the star don't shine, till the heaven burns and the words don't rhyme. You know when I die, you'll be on my mind, and I love you always. 저 샤워 있어. 샤워 있어. Now your picture's dead, your love behind are just memories of a different life. Some that made us laugh, some that made us cry, one that made you have to say goodbye. What I give to run my finger through your hair, to touch your lips, to hold you near when you say your prayer. Try to understand, I made a mistake, I'm just a man. When he holds you close, when he pulls you near, when he says the word you've been needing to hear. I wish I was here with these words of mine to say to you till the end of time, and I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and a day. Always, if you told me to cry for you, I could. If you told me to die for you, I would. Take a look at my face, there's no price I would pay. Say these words to you. Right, people, make some noise for you. We're made of love with this loaded dice. Baby, if you give me just one more try, we can pack up our old dreams and our old life. Find a place where the sun's still shining, and I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and a day. Always, I
it was our first song. All right, people, how are you feeling tonight? All right, give me a scream if you are having fun. Come on, I want to hear you louder. All right, 声美是个，声美是一头声美是呀。All right, 声美是，声美是谁？ 목줄 베이시 휴 모니터 발릭 뛰어 좀 해오자. 자, alright. 우리 그 그냥 라사기지. 그동안 샤서가이라네. This song is from the band Europe, and the song calls Carrie. Make some noise for his wife. When lights go down, I see no reason for you to cry. We've been through this before, in every time, in every season. God knows I've tried, so please don't ask for more. Can't you see it in my eyes that this might be our last goodbye? Oh, Carrie, Carrie, things they've changed, my friend. Whoa, Carrie. Somewhere again, I reach your mind with no intention of being unkind. I wish I could explain. It all takes time, a lot of patience. If it's a crime, how come I feel no pain? See it in my eye that this could be our last goodbye. Oh, oh. Carrie, Carrie, things they change, my friend. Whoa, sing it. Carrie, Carrie, maybe we'll meet again. All right, people, I want to see your hands in the air if you're having fun. Come on. Can't you see it in my eye that this could be our last goodbye? Oh, Carrie, Carrie, things they change, my friend. Whoa, Carrie, Carrie, maybe we'll meet again. All right, people, I want to see your hands in the air if you're having fun. Come on. thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you all. Thank you to the organizers for inviting us. All right, so this song will be our last song. This last song is called Judgment Day. Guitar, hibai monitor bai liktiam nilango do. Mokjar, hibai guitar kitino. Drum will lila guitar dio kami olo. All right, White Snake we fans kya sang ledo. All right, lahi White Snake we lane. Lawi title na Judgment Day. All right, people, are you ready?
Tonight is gone, the time has come to find a new day has begun, and you promise us to stay. To soothe the pain of wasted years, that keeps away the bitter tears, love to light the way. A smile that reaches out for many miles, touching everyone. No more shadows of the past, your spirit free to fly at last, shining in the sun. Sing it! Like rolling thunder, I can see your love. It's a gift from heaven, and the Lord above. We walk this world desire, hand in hand, don't on the road to Judgment Day. Take it easy, take it slow. I'll take you anywhere you wanna go, places never seen before. I love you, I need you, I'll do my best to please you. My love can only open doors. When you hear the thunder in your darkest night, I'll be there to hold you when the lightning strikes. Worry, you can ease your mind. We'll be there. That's
ya, who needs ya, will do his best to please ya. I love ya, I need ya, I'll get down on my knees. All right, beautiful people out there, thank you so much.
Check, check. Thank you so much, Doctor and the band. It was an incredible performance. Now, next we have Aya Claire Carre. Please welcome on stage Aya Claire.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Aya Claire Carre. Which will be followed by a performance from Ringpami Shokung now. I request the artists to kindly get ready for your performance.
Adam hi khmi wang ning shnai re kha na thum kachim samilo tangkhulam samre shepila saure in a cover sa haila kido bitless we obladi oblada disare.
Husband has a sparrow in a marketplace. Molly is the singer in her band. Desmond says to Monica, I like your face. And Molly says this as she takes him by the hand. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, brah. La, la, ha, la, life goes on. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, brah. La, la, ha, la, life goes on. Desmond takes a trolley to the jewelry store, buys a 20-carat golden ring, takes it back to Molly waiting at the door, and as he gives it to her, she begins to sing. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, brah. La, la, ha, la, life goes on. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, brah. La, la, ha, la, life goes on. In a couple of years, they have built a home, sweet home. In a couple of kids running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Be ever after in the marketplace, Molly is the children let her hand. Molly stays at home and does her pretty face, and in the evening she still sings it with the band. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Aya Claire. Let's give it up for her once again. How are you guys? Can you make some noise? I can't hear anything. Can you make some noise, please? Guys at the back? Guys in the front? Okay, thank you. That was great. Okay, we have a lot of artists lined up for their performances. And now we have another performance from an upcoming artist. Let's welcome Ringpami Shokungna on the stage. Okay, Ringpami is somewhere preparing something. So we have another interesting performance. Doctor na hang papai the Kibagamrao! Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome yours and the band on the stage. Meanwhile, while they're coming up, they have a premiere music video and live music on Saturday. That is 19th of November at 7 p.m. onwards at J5 Oasis Youth Hub. Yari Saigorali, Ari Hangdaklay premiere music video release kasahili Razang Mikfai Saglakay na Ben with Matunay na request sa daklay ne kagadom sa da Ben hi achigong form kasane kala ashi Ben na event kachukli perform sa kay ne chena Yari bing na leishi kala kagadom wi azak sa da premiere show hili 19 November Saturday thongon hila rakadom Mikfai Saglakay na Ben Matunay na kanghod ne ning shlakay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Yours and the band. Which will be followed by a performance from Yo-Yo Shinglai and Kangamso and Horyaula, which will be followed by one of our special band from this event, the Rock Shot. We request you to kindly stay back and we'll finish the show together. Rock Shot band bashila ready sa-fai perform sa-fai ready side le jena yari sai ko really jina kanawa performance haki jina mung la kuprib se gaji shad ne ning shlagare. Ben in the ready sama mandalay laka achu event partner bing Luitui Enterprise, Raikan Pharmacy, AT Enterprise, Monggung Bakers, Aran Florist, and media partners, the Tangkhul Express powered by House Services. Sound partners is the Ukhrul Sound and Light Rental Association. Kala achiwi operator sound engineer sami daklay okcher kaping yari saikor na media partner kala event partner sound partner kala okcher kaping wang pang marla kenakshi da kapemi se.
Green Day fans here? Any Green Day fans here? I've heard you crying loud all the way across town. You've been searching for that someone that is me and not around. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself, and don't get lonely now. I'm just roaming for the moments, losing my vacation, so don't get so uptight. You've been thinking about ditching me. I've heard you crying loud all the way across town. You've been searching for that someone that is me out on a crowd. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself, and don't get lonely now. And try to wet your eyes. I'm just roaming for the moments, losing my vacation, so don't get so uptight. You've been thinking about ditching me. It's time to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. When I come around, I've heard it all before. So don't knock down my door. I'm a loser and a user, so I don't need no accuser to try and strike me down, because I know you're right. Go do what you like. Make sure you do it wise. You may have found out that yourself, that means nothing was ever there. You can't go forcing something if it's just not right. 'cause you're there where I'll be found when I come around. When I come around. It's how to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. When I come around. When I come around. When I come around.
Make some noise! I want to hear you scream. Come on, make some noise! Louder! I tear my eyes open, I see myself shut. My weakness is that I care too much, and my scars reminds me that the past is real. I tear my eyes open just to feel drunk and I'm feeling down, and I just wanna be alone. I pissed 'cause you came around. Why don't you just go home? 'Cause you're drowning in the water, and I offered you my hand. Tonight is all I stand. I tear my eyes open, I see myself shut. My weakness is that I care too much. My scars reminds me that the past is real. I tear my eyes open just to feel against my own advice. I saw you going down, but you never realize, 'cause you're drowning in the water. So I offered you my hand. Compassion's in my nature. Tonight is our last day. I tear my eyes open, I see myself shut. My weakness is that I care too much. My scars reminds me that the past is real. I tear my eyes open just to feel drunk and I'm feeling down, and I just wanna be alone. You should have never come around. Why don't you just go home? 'Cause you're drowning in the water. So I offered you my hand. All my eyes open, but you didn't understand. But you didn't understand. You fix yourself. I can't help you fix yourself, but at least I can say I tried. I'm sorry, but I gotta move on with my own life. I can't help you fix yourself, but at least I can say I tried. Sorry, but I gotta move on with my own life. I see my eyes open, I see myself shut. My weakness is that I care
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It was yours band. So ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand for yours and the band. Please, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so now, next we have Yo-Yo Xinglai. Please welcome on stage Yo-Yo Xinglai.
Which will be followed by a performance from Kangamso and Horyaola. I request the both of you to please kindly get ready, which will be followed by a performance from our very own, the Rockshot Band. If Yo-Yo Xinglai is not here, Kangamso and Horyaola, please take your time. All right, due to the time constraint, we won't be able to wait for long. That's why we would be giving our time, the last performance for tonight, a band called Rockshot, which is a rock band from Ukhrul that was formed in 2022 by childhood friends with an aim to restore live music performance, often replaced by pre-recorded music. Rockshot means projection of voices in alignment with musical instruments. You can hear elements of individual artistic expression through their music as they celebrate the strength of their friendship through the music. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Rockshot Band!
Hello! Hello! Bữa sáng tạm dậy. Mà bác tạm dậy. Chỗ, sai lời hiểm mà ngã là phiêu thác chỗ. Ta sao rồi?
Check, check, check.
谢。 Kenal sau sini ya, Yari rimpang room saya, mengawak dasar saya. Dimra, Jo, tadi mengari itu rimpang room show. Kepala lemning lu, mending kasar show.
Hammer of the gods who drives our spirits to new land to fight the hordes, sing and cry. Valhalla, I am coming. Always sweep with threshing earth. Our only ghost is the Western Show. From the land of the ice and snow, from the midnight sun where the heart stands slow. Soft and feels so free, and whisper tales of God, of how we come the dice of war. We are your overlord. Always sweep. Threshing earth, our only ghost is the Western Show. So now you better stop and rebuild on your rings. For peace and trust can win the day despite all your losing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Yari, 그다음 guy.
check. main vocal ba monitor li kapang mo jam so.
Yari bingna last performance sao gida kanugli laida klebing hi mangali kadami logo ji sagla kaina penu shongai na labo krane itum na lumlaw ngurum se last performance ne jena mangali matrin lo tami lo gala itum na ringpang ngurum se ngog ngurum se khairen da laga last performance enjoy sa se ji yari sa gor ne ji shad ne kanugli laida klebing ji manga hili katami lo ning shinare hili ngok ngurum se ringpang ngurum se last performance of the night ikazat mathai da lim ko zatami maman lo yes keep moving please hidami lo magachin malay mi lo jo shong hidam lo mangali yes mangali tami maman lo ning shinare laga chairly gabam mingji lang ning laga lahi enjoy sangrum se
Dan sangrum sir se nimra.
Chairly gabam min ring pam nim go last performance ne jena ring pala kai nei tum enjoy sangrum se chairly gabam ming lo sai ko ring ngam lo kala mangali ra mi lo ning shinare yes please keep moving thank you so much you're amazing guys
Put your love in. In down, baby. 'Cause I'm
Everybody! I'm begging you to put your loving hands out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hands out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast 'cause of everything. I walked away, but you want me then. But easy come, easy go with ruling. So anytime I please you, let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel you got me, no. Anytime I see you, let me know. But I plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees, well I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, hey, ra-ta-ta-ta. I'm begging you. So put your loving hands out, baby. I'm begging you. So put your loving hands out, darling. I need you to understand. Try too hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, shadow of my life was hanging over me. A broken man, then I don't know. Even stand devil chance to win my soul with you. What we chasing? Why the bottom? Why the basement? Why got this shit on the basement? What I feel for the need to replace me? Get a runway track from a good. I wanna bring a picture that we could be at. Like the heart in the transpiration. Can't think of the way you had it took the bait, but I keep walking on. I'll be just keep home before the dark is yours. Also home. I don't wanna laugh in the broken home, but I'm begging. Yeah, I'm begging you to put your loving hands out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hands out, darling. I'm fighting hard to hold my own, just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on, can't fall back. I'm just a ghost, about to fade to black. I'm begging you to put your loving hands out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hands out, darling. I'm begging
begging you to put your loving hand down, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand down, darling. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand down, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand down.
그다음 그 빙신 방아이자. 당선세.
Jake.
It's so easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. People tell me love's for fool. Here I go, breaking all the rules. It seems so easy, it's so easy, it's so yeah, yeah, it's so darn easy. It's so easy, it's so easy, it's so easy. It seems so easy, it's so easy, it's so easy. It's so easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. Look into your heart and see what your love has to set aside for me. It seems so easy, it's so easy, it's so easy. It seems so easy, so easy, so yeah, yeah, so tough on easy, so easy, where you're set my heart. It's so easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. It seems so easy, so easy, so so tough on easy, so easy, so yeah, yeah, yeah. It seems so easy, so easy, so when you're everybody. It's so easy to fall in love. 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 It's so easy to fall in love.
You want one more song? 나 망아성설 이야기다 지금. 망아성설 say, 망 say.
木这两手把模拟的电动握住。
Very superstitious writings on the walls. Very superstitious ladders about to fall. 13 months old baby, yeah. Brought that looking fast. 7 years of bad luck. Good things in the past. Well, you believe in things that you don't understand. That is so superstitious anyway. Very superstitious. Wash your face and hands. Rid me of the problems. Do all that you can. Give me my daydreams. Keep me going strong. You don't have to save me. Sad song. Well, you believe in things that you don't understand. That is so superstitious anyway. Very superstitious. Nothing more to say. Very superstitious. The devil's on his way. 30 months of baby, yeah. Dropped out looking glass. 7 years of bad luck. Good things in the past.
So, Ari, now, last sorry, now, last sorry.
Looking straight